Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply update your Microsoft Edge browser in order to boost your browsing speed. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Edge browser. After you open up your Edge browser, come to the top right there, click on these three dots. And this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here, and make sure you go to help and feedback. Then from help and feedback, make sure you go to about Microsoft. That's going to take you right here. Immediately you get here, it's going to check in for update, and immediately, and once your update is complete, you are going to get a result like this. Now, for you to find out what is actually new in Edge browser, you can simply come back to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, then simply go to help and feedback, then go to what is new, and it's going to open up in a new page, just like what you see right here. Then from here, you can simply read what is the new features that has been added into Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge features and tips. Discover new features and helpful tips to get the best experience out of Edge. Now achieve more performance, then best browser for gamers, then security, stable, make a lot of your time online for productivity, stuff like that. Transform your world into a beautiful browser theme. So you have different theme templates in Edge browser now. Then here, your power browser AI right here. You have your Copilot here, and you have your page theme, and also you can use your voice translate right here. You can scroll down and check on more new features as far as Microsoft Edge is concerned. Just like what you see right here, is that simple. So basically, this is how to simply update your Edge browser and how to find out what is actually new in Edge browser and boost your browsing experience. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.